Hello, everyone. I have a major announcement. So, over the past 3 to 4 years, as you guys know, I've been doing everything completely for free. I've never charged a dime for anything. People's lives have genuinely changed. The amount of information that I've given away for free, people that charge money cannot even come close to that. People have become profitable, successful day traders based off of my help. And I've even ended up making the world's first app that shares trades completely for free in Wave. But as you can probably tell, Wave is currently undergoing maintenance. There are a few things that we need to completely change in order to make signals come more instantly, among other things. So this week, while Wave has been down, obviously, I've been sharing my trades in Discord. This week, I had a 92% success rate in my trades. 24 out of 26 trades worked. So just as a reminder to all of you of why you joined the Discord, why you downloaded Wave, and why you've been watching these YouTube videos, I've been posting these daily recaps here, okay? And again, a 92% success rate. With that being said, my goal for years has always been to help people for free. My long-term vision remains the same. But in the short term, it's important to keep the ball rolling. And for that to continue, for me to be able to help and do everything that I want to do, I've decided to start charging monthly for a closed Discord server. Everyone that has an issue with me charging money, you guys will be welcomed back with open arms once Wave is back up and running. No problem. Everyone else that wants high quality trades, an 80 to 85% success rate on a bad week, access to me throughout the day for my opinion on different strategies, daily trade recaps, as well as live day trading streams, not to mention my profitable buy and sell trading view indicator. The Discord link is in the channel description and the comments below. I hope to see you guys there. With that being said, have a blessed weekend and have a blessed life. Thank you.